Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. The senior brother, yes, senior brother of all the television stations when inside Obodo the world, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for Go TV. I beg, do yourself one favor. If you really believe in Nigeria and you know, say, you want to participate, no longer sit down look, they watch this program as it hot and tell your loved ones self, make they watch. Because if 160 million of us when inside this Obodo Nigeria join our voice together, those when the leaders go here and they go do the right thing to move this our country forward. We dey discuss one very important topic. 83 naira is better than 50 naira discuss. This one get to do with the fact that our federal government don't commot subsidy on top of kerosene. That is the money when we say that they use the augment the kerosene money so that the money no go too much for Nigerians. When we don't check and see, say plenty Nigerians they use kerosene. People don't come and talk say this move they very okay. Sake of say the money when government go come out, they go channel them into other things and they go use and build this our country sharply. Other people come talk say government need to show more commitment because not be today we don't hear say we will do this, we will do that. We will not hear at all. We dey collect phone calls. People they call to chook man for inside this matter, and I dey very happy. Say everybody they look at from this standpoint say we get government today when we feel beat our chest talk say yes. So if we give them the support, then go do well. Now the time to give them the support, but we go still the talk so that they no go make mistake.
And Chukwudi, and that we also need to look. Maybe we also look at from this angle. We know say under the last administration, we know say yes. We they generate money well as a result of our resources where we that is all resources where we sell internationally. At least more also come bring them. She no feel maybe because of say okay we don't they get maybe like the only sector they tend to rely on it don't fall down a bit, and as a result of that, government on their own part they look for ways to say okay make we feel balance equation, make we feel balance things, make we look for means to do it and generate money so that at least in the end we go feel those promises we don't make to Nigerians, we don't offer to Nigerians, we go fit meet up to them. Because if for instance fuel will be this thing, okay. If, for instance, okay, we get caller, Oga CY from Port Harcourt. Good morning.
Hello,
good morning, CY.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm calling from Port Harcourt.
Okay, we hear you. Right on.
I just tired. The whole matter, just tired me. To be truthful, I don't know anything to talk. Because on our feet observe, since when it be 15 naira, we'll not be nearby. We'll not be nearby on 15 naira. I buy like 120 last. Now 83, how much you go buy? In fact, nothing works in Nigeria. That's the painful part. They will make policies and say it's for the masses, and then the next thing we're just in pain. Things go up in Nigeria and never come down. Campaign promises, they need to keep them. They say they want to regulate oil. I'll be waiting. Now another story would they hear. I don't really understand what is happening in Nigeria. I just want to even sleep, They can't wake up here so I did another country. Because when I think of situation of Nigeria, my heart they break, they cry. I don't even know how they feel within how they feel. Because I know if you understand within government go just come up, talk something, and they can't like say they carry now. I don't just understand.
See why?
I don't understand. I don't know what they happen.
We understand. From your tone, we see the passion, we see how that vex reach and how bitter. I understand.
I don't know it. I don't know why we won't get it right in Nigeria. I don't know why.
Okay, thank you very much, CY. And Chukwudi, really, I don't go blame some Nigerians who go call, go talk, say, look, policies know they work on the ground that look. If you don't fix a particular price of something, before now, 15 naira they sell them. Okay, how come we no can't get maybe something with this slightly different from that 15 naira? Why we say it can't double, can't even add up.
Very true.
You understand?
Make Oga Peter, when they call us from Ikorodu, talk in own talk for on top of this matter. Oga Peter, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Peter.
Oga Chinedu, good morning, Jerry.
Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Chukwudi, Jerry.
I greet you, Oga Peter.
Would they hear you right on?
My body they hurt so much. Understand? Because right now they see the happen for this country. If they go make some of us they go do some things where no go good. You see this subsidy that they are talking about. This matter arise 2011, and people protest against that. Jonathan is not doing good. Now, kerosene. That the one that they pour once, they poor ones that they are managing and using in their houses. They are increasing it to 83 naira. This is the price that they are giving direct from their supply, not even the one that we are going to buy for fleet station or people they are selling in the street. Means that we are going to buy it in the street 200 or 150. Understand? This man, Buhari, if you know that he's going to do this subsidy that he removed, he's going to benefit the poor ones. He should go ahead. But the only thing that let this kerosene be available for everybody and give order as they are giving order for fuel. Understand? Because all these big men, they are not using kerosene, they are using gas in their home. And the poor people are suffering and they are oppressing them. They should be careful that there is God, God is watching them. Understand?
Okay,
and I am telling you, the thing is hurting me and it's paining me.
Oga Peter, thank you very much.
Oga Peter, thank you very much for this, your important contribution. Just like the way when CY take express the pain when they in heart, you don't express your own. And they, somehow, if we they express this this belief, say we know to get confidence for government, but not true because somehow it be like say they no do waiting we want. Make we enter inside worry. Collect this call from Oga Jesse. Jesse, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Jesse. Jesse, you did there?
Jesse, be like say the network no agree Jesse to contribute. But we go emphasize say even though sometimes because of the things we don't see, our mind they cut. We they feel like say, share this one not be the same thing when they don't they talk about a different thing. We on top of AS E DEY HOT go they do our best to they emphasize. Why? Because Nigerian are first before any other person. Nigerian are first before any other place for this world. If we get them right for this country, it don't do well. If we get government when don't come and tell us say, oh now like this is the problem day, and we self know say now like this is the problem day. Time don't reach for us to join that government. Tell them say okay, how we go take we solve this problem? If we check the way government they go about this thing, if you want make pikin when no sabi book, learn where you get a stage when they follow. Pikin when no they pass for school, Nkubi, I don't know. May I use you do example?
No, just please. If I know read well, they when I do if I know study well, I know for day here today.
No, I don't talk say no.
No,
it's an example.
Chukwudi.
It's an example.
Chukwudi, I don't be warning. No, don't.
Okay,
please,
no verse.
Please.
Okay,
please.
me and Nkubi, we be two people when they here.
Look for other people.
Okay.
Tunde they there.
Okay.
Igoche they there.
Okay, as we sit down here.
People they there. Gift they there. Use them.
Nkubi, I do my example now.
Use your example elsewhere. Throw your example. Don't put my name. I don't see any NK.
Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. Oga Samson from Kebbi.
Better. Oga Samson, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Oga Samson, I bet you go increase your voice. May we hear you well.
I say good morning.
Good morning, Samson.
Yes. We are talking about kerosene, 50 naira and 85 naira. Which one is better?
Okay.
For me, 83 naira is better if there is kerosene available.
Okay.
If them go make them available for everywhere. Not because you go say 83 naira, you still go the line up for N50, no kerosene. Or if they go to all the old police stations, kerosene will be. Anybody wants to just come out from your house, you buy the kerosene very easy. It's better for 83 than 50 naira. That's saying kerosene to buy. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Samson. Nkubi, my mind they happy. My belly they sweet me. You know why? Because see people, if you check their name, check say okay, where this person go come from, where in talk go. But as people they talk about Nigeria first, my mind just they sweet me. Make Oga Abuchi, I dey very sure saying go top up. All the talk we don't hear about Nigeria. Abuchi, they call us all the way from Ebute Meta. Abuchi, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Abuchi.
Oga Chuks, I hear everything when I talk. It touch my heart very well.
Abuchi, I beg, try raise your voice up small.
I agree to now.
We agree to Abuchi, we agree to.
On top of the good work now they do for us.
Okay,
thank you very
much. You say we say crazy. Now something way we need well last for our country. For this Ebute Meta we so far. That 383 no be the price they sell for ourselves. We just they manage. They look for them. But the thing is say if they increase them, make the thing day everywhere. Everywhere make they use them. And again, make they reduce them.
Oga Abuchi, what Oga Abuchi don't talk now. Something when he say he goes straight to the point.
Exactly.
Nkubi, I won't believe say from what we they notice and what we they see, it is very very clearly say this government put the interest of Nigerians first. He get wetin one chieftain, that is one senior man for APC talk. He talk say, even though government they try one revive our economy or reinvigorate the economy, say they must make sure say they no hurt the people of Nigeria. This one they very, very glaring because the people of Nigeria, we they suffer already. We they suffer already. So any other thing when we say, you come be like saying I suffer on top of us, it go there very, very big.
And especially when they say the high point of this thing, not because of this thing. The reason why you go to see Nigerians, they raise this level of tone. Though if you see from the cause of don't get, you go say, yes, people they take side. People they talk say, yes, it did better. People they talk say, not too good at all. But make we also look at from the angle of people where they say the price no good. Make we look the cost of living for Nigeria. Make we also look government's involvement in trying to ensure say at least they ensure say the life of Nigerians they affordable, they at least they steady. So if they look at from this angle, we also say people get their own opinion based on how waiting that they end, based on how then they live their own life. You understand? So we get Oga Danjuma. Oga Danjuma, they call us from Ajegunle. Good morning, Danjuma. Danjuma, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
How are you?
We dey fine, Oga Danjuma.
I don't know.
I beg, talk to us.
Yeah, I say my contribution. Yeah. Good morning. I say let me go direct to the morning, sir.
Continue.
I think my contribution is that if Nigeria really wants to help us, it's not about 50 or 83. Let them give us the normal price. If it is 83 naira, let them put it in 83 naira. Let the kerosene be very, popular.
Make it everywhere, yeah.
Every station. Not by telling us 83 naira, whereas we went to station, we will not see the...
Kai.
Oga Danjuma, this your contribution. Now something when me say I know he go make plenty sense. But he just be like say somehow the thing get as it be. And we get Oga Mr. No Nonsense calling us all the way from Surulere. Mr. No Nonsense, we don't hear beep. It be like say fear don't catch you to make your contribution. But we appreciate say you even calling in the first place. Our people when we say don't they call into this program. If we sample or weigh people opinion, it is very, very clear. Say for a long time, we don't get situation where we say people know they really take waiting government talk serious because of the way when government they behave. But some people feel say now not to give government the opportunity. So Nkubi, what we go do now to draw our ear, give government because of say if people look and finish say okay, they don't do us plenty. The more you look, the less you see, and we don't suffer well. And you can't promise say it will no longer be the more you look, the less you see. It will be you don't even have to look.
The more you look, the more you see.
No, it's not going to even be. We don't even have to look because fence when they your front, you know say fence they there. You don't need look at whether fence they. So if government begin to provide things when people they see for this country, they're not going to need to they go newspaper, they go radio, they sing song, they shout Hosanna and say that they do things. We go they see them by ourselves and we go say they're not they tell person say pregnant woman. You could be understand. You know all these things now.
Now you know. Now I don't know. I beg. Chukwudi, may we go break. I beg. I don't know. No, they ask me that kind of question.
Pregnant. I say they don't tell pregnant. It's just.
Why they ask me now? Give your example. No go for break. No, they ask me.
It's a proverb. Now why you always check? Why you go check what?
How about learning more about the land of the birth of the alphabets from the time of the Phoenicians, Crusaders, Arabs, and many more?
Stop there! The palace is like a maze. There's no way out.
The one who couldn't be faithful to her brother-in-law because of the greed of the throne cannot be loyal to my granddaughter as well. I will not help you in this evil deed ever.
Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. From where we stand, so now the final bus stop we dey see on top of this topic when we carry come today. 83 naira is better than 50 naira discuss. This one get to do with the subsidy money when we say we hear say federal government don't come out for inside kerosene. According to the new template when PPPR carry come from the way the thing dey now, NMPC them go to sell kerosene at 83 naira and other people when we say then they sell. If it's still high pass that one, but people they call say make they begin they regulate, make the thing no dey difficult. Nkubi go good make we highlight the advantages when we say government don't talk say if them do this thing this way like this it go be. Remember say some people don't come and talk say the concept of subsidy na fraud because of say you talk say you dey pay money into something, you dey pay money exactly. Kerosene no dey available, you dey pay money, people go line up before they see, you dey pay money, people they even dey pay higher for certain places. Now government don't look and say okay what we want to be say that money when these people they claim say that they pay, we want commot am make we see say power day, roads day, security improve, education day, quality of life standard, health, everything better for this country. If we do that one this way, people go stop to come they think say make I buy kerosene stuff for house. You know go just be like say na survival. You know go even they think of say okay now this particular amount at the end before this thing. It go good make we emphasize them say if we want begin to correct something when they bad, the first step now to do the right thing, and the right thing according to what our government they don't do now when they beg us for support, now to just believe in them say okay they go do and well. I know say for our man if they look and say 1979 they tell us the same thing, 1983 they tell us the same thing, 1993 the same promises, 99, 2003, 2007, in fact back to
we get daily. No, back to back. Oga Dele, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Abeg, Oga Dele, abeg, raise your voice up small, make we hear you.
My good morning, dear.
Good morning.
Yeah, now well done.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I want to make a contribution for the...
Okay, right on, we hear you.
Okay, morning, sir. Oh, okay, my contribution is good morning. There.
Oga Dele.
Yeah.
Abeg, we don't hear you clearly, abeg.
Yeah, my contribution to the issue is that what the government they try to do about kerosene is very good, but they should try. Yeah. Hello.
Oga Dele, go try call us back, abeg, and if you won't call us, abeg, I sure say you bring down the volume of your television so that we go feel here, you say go feel hear us. We get Achibong. Achibong, they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Achibong. Achibong, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Achibong. We dey hear you.
This year fuel we dey say they bring am 83,000.
Kerosene.
He go there for all filling stations.
Okay. A question you ask. Continue. Okay.
And moreover, when they sell under 15 naira, you know they know the all filling station get by then it's scarce. So now we call this 3 naira and I go call the outside. So now those ones me I want to know. 15 naira people no see and buy. Like that. 83 naira we can't give for filling station.
Oga Achibong, thank you very much for this important question when you ask. A lot of things when many of our callers don't talk about, just like waiting Oga Igo from Abuja talk now, say at 50 naira, people they spend a lot of precious time, say then they queue, say they won't get them. Now 50 naira, but the thing no they available. And somebody called to corroborate the story for Port Harcourt, say even though they put and say now 50 naira, they know they see and buy for that particular amount. Waiting government won't assure us now say if they put say na 83 naira, all the time when they spend for fuel, exactly. We no go for filling station, we no go to spend them because the thing go they available and people go fit get them anytime when they need them.
It go beyond that one. Make we also see more like a monitoring group where we say the go ensure say at least filling stations after they don't increase their own filling station will also get that steady price rather than say okay make we use this due advantage increase our own ensure say these people buy them if they want sell and they feel sell them any price make we see that fixed price at every station where people they go buy across the nation so that nobody say if they buy 83 naira or probably 84 naira any price for Lagos and that set of people they buy maybe 120 naira or 150 naira for another plate. Let us see it, make it steady. Okay, we don't lose that call. So this now what we going need to look out for be this. We get another caller. Good morning. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning. Abeg, talk to us. Where they call us from? What will be your name?
My name is Amechi. I'm calling from Lagos.
Okay, Amechi from Lagos. Good morning. Where in Lagos?
I'm calling from Ipaye.
Okay. All the way from Ekpe. Oga Amechi, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Will they hear you right on?
My name is Amechi. I'm calling from
No,
Ipaye.
continue, Amechi, continue.
Ipaye.
Oga Amechi, continue. They talk, they go.
All right. Please, I want to contribute on the matter going on the television. Please, it's good. It's good. Lagos, it's good. Nigerian government, they are trying. Yes, I'm speaking. It's good. Nigerian government is trying, but they have to come up a bit. The 15 naira kerosene, they said they will not sell. It's better may them leave that 15, they may they leave the kerosene at 15 naira because 83 naira, they will lift it to 150 naira in fleet station. It's good, may they leave it at 15 naira. Even if the fleet station, even if the marketers will at the end of the day go to 83 naira, we will stay by it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Amechi. Thank you really very, very much for this, your contribution. Nkubi, make we take Oga Godwin. They call us all the way from Ikoyi. Oga Godwin, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Godwin.
I think what the federal government is trying to do now is a welcome development. Is the development we have not, and this is the time for everyone to embrace that 83 naira. Because the government of Buhari is not like every other government that we promise and not do. So, for me, it's a welcome development. And at the end of the day, we may end buying this thing from other stations below that 83 naira because there will now be a competition in the market. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Godwin. Thank you really very, very much. From what Oga Godwin not talk, I'm very, very clearly say the way when the situation go be, he go promote competition for inside the market, but it must be very, very clear. Say government must do their role of regulating because one of our callers been talking say. And it is very, very wrong if we get that kind of perception of Nigerians. But if from waiting in don't see, from the antecedent of certain people, if you say some Nigerians go look and say, okay, if NMPC they sell 83 naira, make I put my own 93. If you don't want to say, trek go NMPC, depot go buy your.
If they far from where the person is.
Make we collect Jesse. Jesse, they call us all the way from Wari. They call us back again. Jesse, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Okay, Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Jesse.
Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning.
The truth be said, people they vex for this side because the people themselves will they see and buy. Like for this type of money, when you see black market, that 200, 220. Now they come again. They say 83 naira, and they say they come make one statement again say the other filling station they say what they like. People they cheap us. You open the gate they call it steal more and more. I put my hotel back in it again. If they do every other store to say every other one to tell what they like, they'll sell like 500 for a liter for us. That what I used to make I tell you now. Make them tell them make them see make them use what they do well because I won't spoil the labor of Buhari again. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much,
Oga Jesse. Thank you very much for this your important contribution. What Oga Jesse don't talk, the thing they very, very clear. And now to reiterate what one of our callers talk about, say people they take advantage of the situation. And now we go use this opportunity to call the government, say, una know say una self use una talk and say Nigerians they suffer. Una won't try see everything una go do to ensure say this suffering not too much. Now those when we say go look and say okay, NMPC fee sell for 83, we sell the one we like. Make we just put any price. Considering the fact say even when government say na 15 naira, then they sell anything when they like. Now time for government to regulate them so that people no go take undue advantage of this situation to compound the woes of Nigerians the more. So, we always they talk about top of AS E DEY HOT say Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Anyhow when the thing be, it is very, very important. Make we they talk the truth and make we they give support to government when show commitment and willingness to move this country forward. If we get them today, it don't better for all of us. Nkubi.
Yes, and tomorrow we will come again. From me, Nkubi. I will say bye-bye. I'm not going to look out for another issue tomorrow.
Tell them bye-bye now. Which one will look up for going issue tomorrow? Tell them bye-bye.
I don't tell them bye-bye my own.
You say you make this until we come out tomorrow. You know if you tell people bye-bye. Carry this guy on money.
If you know say, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.